Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. And today, our OJIBWE word of the day. Well, I guess it's the 1st of October. It could be leaves falling moon. BOOZHOO Jesus. BOOZHOO Jesus. It is the moon of the falling leaves. And last month it was the moon of the changing leaves. And Anishinaabe, Moan, in Indian language, we call that WATEBAGA Jesus, the leaves changing color moon. That's what we call September. But now the leaves are starting to fall. It is October. And the Ojibwe word is BOOZHOO Jesus. BOOZHOO Jesus. Leaves falling moon. Or October. And so for this October day, I would like to tell the story of... Okay, I just started that sentence hoping something would come to me by the time I finished it, and nothing did. What's a good October story? I'm not that into Halloween anymore. And frankly, it's turning into... Remember when Christmas would start a couple weeks before Christmas? And then as the years went by, pretty soon you'd start seeing all the advertisements right after Thanksgiving. Well, Halloween now, people start talking about Halloween in September. I'm like, just, calm down. Halloween is really fun for kids, especially if they make their own costumes. I mean, you go into Walmart now and the Halloween costumes, they actually have stuff we dreamt about when we were kids. Like a superhero costume with fake muscles. That would have been so great. When I was a kid, I just wanted some. I remember thinking, wouldn't it be cool if there was a pill you could take that would give you big muscles so you wouldn't even have to work out? And then they invented steroids. And same thing with superhero outfits. I remember being a kid and thinking, oh wow, I wish I could have like a realistic Spider-Man outfit, but with like muscles in it, so you look like Spider-Man. And sure enough, now you got that. But Halloween can be really creative if you just let your kids make their own costumes. But it's a kind of a messed up holiday when you think about it. Trick or treat. Hey man, can we have some candy for nothing? Or we'll give you a trick. We're going to egg your house or something. Toilet paper your trees. And as for grown-ups who participate in Halloween, I know a lot of you like getting all dressed up with your kids. And I guess that's cool if you got kids. I'll give you a pass if you're dressing up with your kids and you have little kids. You can do that. But if you're a grown-up who gets dressed up on Halloween just to go, hang out with your friends, the best Halloween outfit is also the worst Halloween outfit. You're a grown-up. If you want to dress up like Batman, you can do that. You can do it every day of the year. And as far as candy goes, you want some Snickers bars? You can go buy it in the store. You don't got to go with your hand out. Hey man, you got any free candy? What are we teaching our kids? That it's okay to go around begging and to accept, that's the one time a year I was like, hey, go up to those strangers and ask for candy. What if a stranger offers me candy? Oh, never take that. Oh, no, were you crazy? Don't even talk to strangers unless it's Halloween. Then go right to their door. I don't know. Do kids still trick or treat? I don't even know if they do. This is going to be a weird Halloween. Because now like everybody wears masks. I don't know how that's going to work. I think some people are afraid that they'll get germs if they let their kid go trick-or-treating. I wonder if it's true. I remember when I was a kid, they used to say, oh, make sure you check your candy. Because there was one boy, in one Halloween, where somebody put a razor blade in the apple. And was when the kid bit in, he, you know. That's probably an old wives' tale. That's probably not even true. Who's going to put a razor blade in an apple? Who's going to give an apple on Halloween either? If you give out fruit on Halloween, you just don't like kids. Nobody ever goes trick-or-treating. Oh, hey, I got an apple. Thanks. Oh, is this a carameled apple? Nice. You melted some caramel onto this piece of fruit and stuck a tongue depressor in it? Nummy. You just ruined the apple and you ruined the caramel. And you ruined the tongue depressor. That's not what that's for. That's for the doctor to look at your tonsils. You know, say ah. I don't know what they learned from that. Give me an A. Yeah, that's pretty good. So those are my thoughts on leaves changing moon, or leaves falling moon. The moon of the falling leaves. BOOZHOO Jesus. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and I will see you again. GOFUNDME, Minowa. Oh, okay, la la la. Hey, okay, what?
And I wanted a piece of blueberry pie. So I went up and I asked this guy, but he only spoke Ojibwe. So I had to say, Minabushki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwayshikan Minabushki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwayshikan Minabushki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwayshikan Minabushki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwayshikan. And I wanted a piece of blueberry pie, so I went up and I asked this guy. He only spoke Ojibwe, so I had to say, oh, yeah. Minabushki Minasagani Batusi Jigani Bakwayshikan Minabushki Minasagani Batusi Jigani Bakwayshikan Minabushki Minasagani Batusi Jigani Bakwayshikan Blueberry pie.